So I like to talk about the nuance in terms of the garden cleanup, and there's a lot of different things to keep in mind. This whole pile here came out of these two beds. A lot of it is Russian sage, and then there's the mums, which I let just get completely out of control. I don't cut them back in mid-season, but I may try a little bit of that this year. But anyway, this is just too much to just chop up and put around. So this goes into the yard waste pile. I want to be able to see this little stuff here, you know, the little muscari and other little things, which I wouldn't otherwise be able to see.